there guys, I'm back again, and today we are going to unbox the brand new Styletone box. So as you guys can tell, I took the liberty of opening it, and as I can see, everything is in this satchel, including the booklet, so I can throw away the box. Let's see, it says Styletone Celebrate Life, and yeah, like I said, everything is in here. So let's open the little satchel up and just grab something. I got something dipped in gold. This is from Figs and Rouge. This is the Renew and Refine Pore Detox Revival Serum. Okay, it's Hydra Pore. Ooh. Okay, sounds very, very promising. Of course, we receive a lot of Figs and Rouge already in the past, but usually these kind of things were primers instead of an actual serum. So I'm very excited to see what it does. Now let me just look it up in the booklet. Under number 4, Figs and Rouge Detox Day and Night Serum, and the worth is an astonishing 39 euros. So I have very, very high hopes for this. I hope that this is suitable for my particular skin type, because usually the items of Figs and Rouge are definitely not suited for my skin, so I will have to check that. If it's not suitable, you'll see this in a giveaway. Okay, moving on to, what's this? Hikari or Hikari. I still can't pronounce this brand. Brow pencil in dark brown. Ooh, dark brown is usually way too dark for me. I'm more of a brunette. Blonde is too light. Brunette is actually perfect, and dark brown is too brown. It's like too dark. So dark brown is usually more for the people with like black hair or really, really dark hair. So this is what that little sucker looks like. Can I open it? Is it sealed? It's not sealed. I will open it. And yeah, I can already tell this is way too dark. So you guys will be, I'm not touching it. Don't worry about it. Like, can you guys see that? Oh, how can I see? There we go. I'm not touching it. You guys will be seeing this in a giveaway because this is way, way too dark for me. So there we go. I'm going to put it back in the little box thing. Like I said, y'all will be seeing this in a giveaway along the way. Make sure to check out my giveaway, by the way. We're only like 8 subscribers away. It's like, for some reason, I just can't get to those damn 8 subscribers. Why is it so hard? I don't know, but I want to start the other giveaway. I'm done with this giveaway. I want to give it away already. So make sure to check out my giveaway. Mouthful. Okay, number 1, Hikari eyebrow pencil, and the worth is 15 euros. Okay, let's move on to something big in here, which is the Marine Gold Dust sheet mask from Vita Masks. This is made with real gold dust. It's a marine collagen, and it's supposed to be plumping, and if I'm not mistaken, we received this particular mask already, just not in this particular box, but a different one, because I swear to God, this seems so familiar. Like, I think I've seen this before. Okay, let's check out the booklet. Sorry, that is my phone. People are trying to get to me. Number 2, Vita Masks, Gold Dust Mask, and the worth is 6.92 euros. Okay, another item is from Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics, and this is a baked highlighter. Okay, very cool. Doesn't say, I can't find the name. Okay, let's just open it up. Oh, and it's a pink highlighter. I'm actually very, very excited about this because I don't have a lot of pink highlighters. So this is what that sucker looks like. Hopefully you guys are able to see that. I'm definitely going to swatch this. Oh, it's so pretty. It might be a little bit too pink on my skin. Yeah, y'all probably won't be able to see that. But it looks really awesome. So I'm glad I got a pink highlighter for once. And not a gold one, because I got a million and one gold ones, but actually don't have enough pink highlighters. So let's see how much it costs. Dirty Little Secret Pressed Powder Highlighter, and the worth is 14 euros. Okay guys, we are down to the last item and this satchel is empty. And the last item is from Beauty Made Easy and it's the Lip Healer Kiwi Butter with argan oil. So I'm just gonna assume it's a lip butter. Yeah, it smells very fruity, but it doesn't particularly have like a kiwi scent to it. I think maybe it's because of the argan oil that, you know, the two smells mixed together. Pretty decent. As y'all know, I do find lip balms to be filler items, but I will say that I've noticed that we received less and less balms, really. I know we received another balm from Dr. Lip in the Look Fantastic box, but it's tinted, so I can also use it as a gloss, like a tinted gloss, instead of just a balm. This particular one is really just a balm. So, but still, it's good because lately I've had really seriously bad chapped lips, so I don't know what's going on. Okay, Beauty Made Easy, the Kiwi Lip Balm, and the worth is €4.90. Okay guys, and that is it. The box is empty. What do I think? It's a decent solid box, but I will say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. They said celebrate life. I don't necessarily think this is a celebration box as much as it is clearly mentioned here, but I do really enjoy this box. There's one item I won't be using, the rest of them I'll be using all of it. So let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this month's box? I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!